my dear joshful, energetic students. How are you? Now, first of all, I really wanted to thank you for the awesome wishes that you have been pouring in since morning. I mean, that makes my day. It's a special day today just because of the wishes that you're pouring in. And even the students who I was teaching 10 years back, they send you the Teacher's Day wishes. I mean, that's what makes a Teacher's Day special for a teacher. Now, while I get those wishes, at many times I think of replying back with same to you. Like some student says, Happy Teacher's Day. I want to say same to you. Maybe it doesn't make sense because somebody wishes you happy Diwali, then you say same to you. But if somebody says happy birthday, you don't reply with the same to you. But here, when you say Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, I would like to say same to you because honestly, you are also a teacher. And to me, you are my teacher. So if that is confusing, let's talk about who actually is a teacher first of all. So who is a teacher? Teacher is obviously who teaches, right? Something. And to me, I can show you today, you are teaching me a lot. So there is a role reversal also happening in the class. So when a teacher teaches the students, same time students are actually teaching the teacher. So let's see how. So how? First of all, the new perspective. See, as a student, I learned a lot of concepts. Through my school journey, through my college journey, I learned many things. But when I'm teaching them to you, it's a complete new perspective I get. Had I not been teaching you, I would not have looked at the things with a new perspective. So the same old concepts that I had learned earlier, I'm actually learning in a new methodology now. That's something that you teach me. Now you ask real life questions, you ask curious questions. ऐसा क्यों नहीं, ऐसा क्यों होता है? I mean, those questions, those out of the box questions make a teacher think and try to explore and try to learn more things. So honestly, students, when you're asking those questions, and some of those questions may not even make sense. Honestly, they may not make sense. They may be absurd. But trust me, those absurd questions are meaningful. They are teaching a lot of things to the teacher. Those things would not have come to the mind had you not asked those questions. So thank you for teaching a teacher. Now again, adaptability. Back in days, it was chalk and talk methodology. Chalk लिया, board लिया, लिख के teacher चला गया. It's a one-way communication. But now with the new generation, that doesn't work. I mean, we have to make sure that you learn. See, let's compare the two methodologies. टीचर आया, टीचर ने पढ़ाया, स्टूडेंट डजंट अंडरस्टैंड, बट द टीचर सेज मैंने तो पढ़ा दिया यार, इन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. बट द न्यू वे ऑफ थिंकिंग इज टीचर आया, टीचर ने पढ़ाया, स्टूडेंट को समझ नहीं आया, तो दैट मीन्स देयर इज समथिंग नॉट राइट इन द वे इट वाज टॉट. So maybe I have to adapt to a new method of teaching the same concept. I have to innovate. Maybe I have to put in some experiments out there. So you are teaching a teacher a lot of things. Then brotherhood, sisterhood. I mean, think about it. As grown-ups, we have grudges. We like certain people. We dislike certain people. But I mean, you have a bonding with the entire class. No social barrier, no caste barrier, no religion barrier, no social status barrier, no rich, no poor. Everybody is equal. I mean, this is really amazing. You may not realize, but how much important that is. I mean, that the brotherhood and sisterhood that you have with all your classmates. I mean, this is something that a grown up should watch you and learn from you. So you teach these things to a teacher. Now, at the same time, you're also teaching us how to share. As grown up adults, sometimes we are more into this is mine. No, I'm not going to share. This is my personal property. But look at how you exchange your tiffin boxes. You share those things. I mean, this is something to learn from you. You are a teacher, my dear students. And above all this, the best part is that you teach us the patience. I'm really not kidding here. All those shararte that you do in the class, and those shararte actually Sometimes we want to scold you, but then we hold, you know. So we learn a lot of patience from you. Honestly, we learn a lot of patience also. So again, thank you so much, students, for pouring in all your love since morning. And I would like to wish you happy Teachers Day as well. So when you say teachers, happy Teachers Day to me, I would reply back with same to you. So looking forward to teaching